There's just so much shady stuff that's happening in the crypto markets right now. And in today's video, we're going to be breaking down exactly what that is. A lot of you might have heard of Kadena, KDA, the project that had a lot of controversy, a lot of announcements that came out just yesterday. Guys, we're going to be taking a look, guys. The markets have been very, very shaky these last couple days. A lot of money has left the gold market as well, and I'm expecting that all that liquidation flow into the crypto markets very, very soon. October is still not done yet. We still have a little bit of time left, guys, so do not lose faith. Do not lose confidence in these markets as of yet. In today's video, we're also going to be taking a deep dive into Turbo because it is a project that we talk about every other day here on this channel. If you guys are Turbo holders, then you'd be glad to know, guys, that I've been covering them for like the past 18 months or almost nearing 2 years of continuous Turbo coverage. So if you guys like that type of content, you're in the right place. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so whenever I go live or I upload a video, you guys know about it right away. And hit that like button so YouTube push it out to the algorithm a little bit more. With that being said, family, let's get right into today's video now. All right, guys. Fear and greed index overall in the crypto market sitting at 28 fear right now. Not looking too good. Bitcoin sub 110K, Ethereum sub 3,900. Again, guys, levels that you should be accumulating at. Now, before we talk about Turbo as a individual project, let's kind of take a look at what's going on here. So, if you didn't know, Kadena, right, which is another project, another massive project, mind you, a layer one, right, at that. So keep that in mind. It's a huge, huge ecosystem. Kadena public announcement. We regret to announce that Kadena organization is no longer able to continue business operations and will be ceasing all business activity and active maintenance on the Kadena blockchain immediately. That in and of itself, guys, is massive. Okay. We have notified our staff that we will be ceasing operations. We are retaining a small team for handling this period of transition and the wind down. For any questions, blah blah. The Kadena blockchain is not owned or operated by the company as a thoroughly decentralized proof of work contract blockchain. The network is operated by independent miners, while on-chain smart contracts and protocols are governed independently by their maintainers. For operational continuity, we will shortly provide a new binary that ensures uninterrupted operation without our involvement. And we will be encouraging all node operators to upgrade as soon as possible. This is very, very sad, but it gets so much worse, guys. It gets so much worse. Okay, look at this. Kadena organization leverages their KDA. October 10th, they get liquidated for absolutely everything. And for almost 2 weeks, they pretend that everything is okay. Now, why am I saying that they're pretending everything is okay? Because if you go over their tweets, guys, it seems like everything was fine, right? You can see here, they have 300,000 followers as well. You can see here, October 20th, boom, right? October 20th, you got all this. Just pretending like everything is fine. October 17th, just random posts that you'd expect from a network to come out with, right? Meanwhile, October 10th is when they actually got liquidated. They open up huge leverage shorts, post about ceasing operations, and they nuke the chart to zero, make it all back, guys. And that is literally how business works. So keep in mind, they knew that they were not functional and they opened up shorts. Look at this. Massive scandal unfolding. Kadena employees caught red-handed shorting their own token, KDA, with leverage right before major announcement. I've seen the proof, multiple exchanges involved. We're talking tens of millions in profits here. What happened to integrity in crypto? There was never really integrity in crypto, let's just be honest. Kadena team pre-sold $1 million between Bybit and Binance before sending out the announcement. That is criminal. Obviously, guys, that is really sad. A lot of shady stuff happening in the crypto markets right now, contributing to the fear and greed index that we are seeing. Right now, again, some of our favorite projects such as Turbo, severely undervalued, right? In the last month, down 35%. In the last 7 days, hammered, down 15%. In the last 24 hours, down 3%, guys. You know, in good faith, I feel like I've told you guys enough. Now is the time to be accumulating. Buy if you have any more dry powder on the sides. If you don't, one thing I will say, the move that I'm making right now is I'm taking a step back from the markets. I'm just watching everything unfold, guys. Just imagine a huge, huge, huge ball from the top of a building falling down. Let's say a wrecking ball, guys, and the dust has to settle. I will not be making a move in this market until the dust settles because I've accumulated Ethereum at 3,700. I've accumulated ETH at 3.8K. I'm not looking to add into any meme coins right now. That's just what I'm doing right now. But if you guys want live updates as to what I'm making, what moves I'm making in the market, you would want to join the Meme Coin Mastery. my private Discord group where you get my buy and sell calls. You get access to exclusive content that you can't find on YouTube, right? How to have good entries, how to have good exits, how to track these trenches yourself, and how to actually win in this crypto space, guys. Trust me, you're hearing it from someone who retired from his day job. I've made more trading meme coins than I have with 1 year in my day job in a month. And again, we have an amazing community in there of investors who all want you to see you guys succeed in there. So join if that is something that you're interested in. And when it comes to Turbo, the price again sitting in between these two key levels at 100 million and at 200 million. Now from here, obviously guys, I would always tell you amazing opportunity to load up because we haven't seen these levels since April of this year. And from here, just back to all-time highs, you're looking at a 536% gain, which is a 6 to 7x return. Okay, we haven't seen this level, guys, that $100 million level since April 2025, that massive dip in the markets that we had back then. That was the last time we seen these price points, okay? So keep that in mind, fellas, as you guys are navigating these crypto markets. Obviously, I'm not telling you guys to go out there and buy. All I'm saying is you need to make sure that you guys are getting good entries and you're also getting good exits. Because if you don't, guys, at the end of the day, these are all just, you know, numbers on a screen that shouldn't really mean anything to you if that is the case. Now, one thing I will say is when it comes to Turbo, make sure you guys stay up to date with relevant information, right? It's one thing, guys, to hear it from me. It's one thing that you guys tune into these videos and you guys hear about Turbo from me, but it's another to be your own investor, right? Do your due diligence, do your part, and go out there and look for information for yourself. Do not just rely on other people. Yes, I will always try to be as transparent as possible, guys. You know, I'm unlike a lot of YouTubers who will shield you guys unrealistic price predictions because I will never come out here in good faith and tell you guys that Turbo is going to $20 or Turbo is going to $1 when I really don't think that's the case, right? I do that with Toshi as well. And even though you might lose a couple followers for it, at least you're being honest, okay? Because I don't want to come on here and tell you guys a different price prediction, sell at a different price prediction. That just seems unfair to me. Turbo is coming for $1. The signs are clear. The momentum is unstoppable. Whether it's tomorrow or the day after, the $1 mark is inevitable. Again, like I like people who are bullish on the project, guys. But again, $1 is just not realistic for Turbo. It's going to throw that out there to you guys because right now it's sitting at 0.002. To get to 0.02, it's a 10x. And then 0.2 is 100x, guys. Just keep that in mind, okay? Turbo's not going to be out here doing 400, 500x returns. It's just not going to happen. That's just the reality of it. And if you guys don't like that, then hey, I really can't do anything about that. I'm going to be honest here on this channel. Could Turbo get to 10, 20 cents? Absolutely, probably, right? But that's about as high as I see it going. With that being said, though, family, I will see you guys in my next video. If you did enjoy, remember, again, none of this is financial advice. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the support, guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, guys.